days to come as well. Taking a pledge is an assertion to ourselves that whatever we have received from the focused path. So, as Canadians, let us confirm to ourselves that we are completely committed to the very ethos and vision and mission of KBS. While we take the pledge, let us feel inside and take an assurance to ourselves that we go the way the institution, the organization wants it. That the position of KBS Foundation will pledge 15th December. We the members of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan.
We the members of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan.
Solemnly pledge.
Solemnly pledge.
To work selflessly. Towards making India. A strong and prosperous nation.
A strong and prosperous nation.
We shall discharge.
Our duties.
Conscientiously. To take our country.
To
greater heights of.
Sparkling achievements.
We pledge to inculcate. Patriotism. As well as cultural and ethical values. Among our countrymen. Through our services and actions. On KBS Foundation Day today. We commit ourselves. With dedication. And devotion. Towards the betterment. And development of our country. And the countrymen. Jai Hind. Now let's take
संगठन के सदस्य भारत को एक सुदृढ़ और समृद्ध राष्ट्र बनाने हेतु निस्वार्थ भाव से कार्य की शपथ लेते हैं। देश को उन्नति के चरम शिखर पर प्रतिष्ठित करने के लिए हम सत्यनिष्ठा से अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन करेंगे। अपने कार्यों एवं सेवा भाव द्वारा देशवासियों के हृदय में देशभक्ति तथा सांस्कृतिक एवं नैतिक मूल्यों के प्रति श्रद्धा भाव उत्पन्न करने की शपथ लेते हैं। आज केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के स्थापना दिवस पर हम सभी देश और देशवासियों के विकास और उत्थान हेतु संपूर्ण निष्ठा एवं समर्पण भाव से कार्य करने का दृढ़ संकल्प लेते हैं। जय हिंद।
Principal sir and my dear colleagues, on the occasion of this 57th Foundation Day, Commissioner Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has sent us a message. The same I am reading for you. Dear colleagues and students, today 15th December 2020 is a momentous day for Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan as we are celebrating its 57th Foundation Day. As you all know, KVS started its journey with the acquisition of 20 regimental schools of Indian Army in 1963, and with the passage of time it has grown continuously in its stature. It would be out of context to mention that Kendriya Vidyalayas are considered peace-setting institutions in the field of school education by encouraging innovation and experimentation in pedagogical approaches through transformation of education, administration and management. We have been successful in achieving several milestones during these years in the scholastic and co-scholastic areas. We are proud of our collective efforts and accomplishments. Amidst the challenges and threats posed by COVID-19 pandemic, we have been continuously marking our untiring efforts to facilitate the teaching and learning process through online mode. Our teachers and students have shown the highest degree of education and commitment. To an extent, we could curtail the learning loss of students during this unprecedented time. As you are aware that National Education Policy 2020 NEP 2020 has been announced by the government on 29 July 2020. The NEP 2020 opens up wider scope of pedagogical methodologies, technology integration in learning, and new approaches of learning. The policy clears the path of all-around development of the learner and also prescribes 360-degree holistic system of assessment for learners. Now the assessment of progress of learner will be done rather than making the assessment of inabilities and failures of the learner. We need to imbibe the spirit of NEP and configure ourselves to the pedagogical changes. KVS has a significant role to play in the implementation of NEP 2020. I am confident that with your dedication and hard work, we will be able to make teaching learning a joyful experience. I convey my hearty congratulations to all of you and wish you a very prosperous and safe time ahead.
Thank you.
विद्यापीठ दिवस के अंतर्गत आज हम छोटी सी गीत लेकर प्रस्तुत है। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। शिक्षा उपवन के नए फूल, संस्कृति सरिता के नए फूल। शिक्षा उपवन के नए फूल, संस्कृति सरिता के नए फूल। ज्योति दीप जागृत प्रावत, हट जाओ दम से धूल शूल। हम ज्योति दीप जागृत प्रावत, हट जाओ दम से धूल शूल। तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय। यह मंत्र विश्व पे जाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तन अनेक पर एक गान, स्वर अनेक पर एक गान। तन अनेक पर एक प्राण, स्वर अनेक पर एक गान। हम कण कण पर जा जाएंगे, बनकर भारत का स्वाभिमान। हम कण कण पर जा जाएंगे, बनकर भारत का स्वाभिमान। तत्वं भूषण अपाविनो, तत्वं भूषण अपाविनो, तत्वं भूषण अपाविनो। यह चंद्र ज्योति बरसाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा।
My heartiest wishes, best wishes for the KVS Foundation Day, and I like to tell all the students in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan that this is the day the foundation for, in my opinion, foundation for the nation building has been done. Over the years, from 1960s when the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan started till today, it has seen fantastic teachers, great administrators, and wonderful children who have shown and proven in many fields of nation building. We have got in civil services, we have got in defense, we have got teachers, advocates, lawyers, and whatnot, in the field of medicine. And teachers have achieved great things in this organization. And this is the one nation, one organization which stands for the unity in diversity. We are spread all over the country. These are the strength of this organization. We are everywhere in the nooks and corners of the country. Children speaking almost all the languages in the country are studying in our system. There is no disparity between rich and poor. All sit together, play together, learn together, and they enjoy their life together. And all the activities that Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has been conducting throughout these many years has been fantastic activities which aims in character building and total personality development. That is why KV children, wherever they are asset to the nation and they don't go as a failure. So you belong to such a great organization, and I pray God Almighty that you should also grow up as one of the finest citizens of this country on this Foundation Day. My best wishes to all of you.
Greetings to everyone on KVS Foundation Day. I am Mrs. Ruby Huria, ex-principal KV Hospital. It's my proud privilege to speak few words on this occasion. I have put in 33 years of service at KVS, which is one of the finest educational institutions. It is one of the trendsetters which provides students and teachers the best platforms to unfold their latent talents. The students of KV are not spoon-fed, hence they are very well placed across the globe. The teachers are one of the finest and they are groomed at every level. I have been so fortunate to be with KVS for these 33 years of service, which has brought tremendous change. I feel so proud to be a KVN. Both the daughters who have studied in KVS, they have been now placed. One is in US and the other is in Singapore. I was posted for a diplomatic posting at KV Moscow and feel so blessed to have worked all across the country and abroad. I wish all the students who are studying at the moment best in their journey. My journey has been wonderful, and I wish and pray that each and every student, teacher and the faculty and other members, they get the best and have a very bright future. My future is definitely not ending here. I have many platforms open and I am still working as a freelance educationist. All across my journey at KVS, my family has supported. My officials had really groomed me. So I express my gratitude to each and every official, students, teachers who have been with me all across the journey. And KVS Hospital is one of the best. My last posting. The building is wonderful, students are lovely, parents are supporting and teachers are one of the best. Mr. Binoy, all the best to you for your bright future and for KV Hospital. Thank you.
Hello, all KVNs all over India and abroad. Good morning. Today is Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangatan's Foundation Day. आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Let me introduce myself. I am Mrs. A.R. Rao, known as Rao Madam in Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1, Hubli. I joined Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangatan in the year 1968 as PRT and later promoted as HM. Worked in Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1, Hubli for 39 years. I feel proud to say that I belong to Kendriya Vidyalaya Parivar. KVs are best in all the aspects. These schools give more importance and scope for all-round development of students. Activities are so well framed that automatically the personality development will start right from class 1. Language books are with moral values to inculcate in childhood and to grow as well-cultured. I spent half of my lifetime in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Rajnagar, Hubli. I love it. On this auspicious occasion, I like to thank Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangatan to make me a part of it. It helped me to serve and grow. Lastly, but not least, I wish long live Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangatan and serve the student community of our nation. I wish all the KVNs happy and healthy life. Wish you all bright future. Thank you.
The 15th day of December every year is celebrated as KVS Foundation Day. 57 years ago on this day, the 15th December 1963, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan was established. It was called by then Central School Organization. To begin with, it had 20 schools to educate the children of the employees of Indian Defence Services. Today, it has grown into a giant organization with over 1,240 schools spread across the length and breadth of our nation. It has 3 of its schools located abroad as well. The name KVS has become synonymous with quality education, and it has rated as a #1 brand in the field of education. What has made the organization great? A clue to the answer of this question can be found in the poem A Nation's Strength, written by William Ralph Emerson. In the 5th stanza of his poem, he says, "Not gold, but only men can make a nation great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long." Yes, it's not materialistic things, but only men can make a nation great and strong. These are men who stand and suffer for the sake of truth and honor. Similarly, it's not the infrastructure and other facilities, but the employees, especially the teachers, have made the KVS great and strong. They have made it a great and grand organization, serving the cause of education as real academic leaders. The KVS Foundation Day, therefore, is meant for saluting the employees of the KVS for their unwavering dedication to transform the students entrusted to its care as true national assets. On this day, the teachers, students, office staff, and the principal can take a pledge to not only strengthen its foundations, but also the reputation they have built up assiduously over a period of time, keeping the slogan KVS first in their life. I take this opportunity to wish all the members of KVS in general and KV Hospet family in particular great success and joy in all their endeavors. Jai Hind.
Hearty greetings to all KVNs at this great and proud moment of KVS Foundation Day celebrations. It's a blessing to be associated with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, rendering immensely valuable educational service to millions of students to uplift them to great heights in career and life. KVS is incomparable. I salute KVS. Long live KVS.
Good morning, friends. At the outset, I would like to greet you all on the occasion of KVS Foundation Day, and I am very happy to share with you my association with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan for about 40 years. Way back in 1975, I joined as a primary teacher. I was just out of a prestigious college, Regional College of Education. Now it's known as Regional Institute of Education. And I joined as a primary teacher. And soon there was a career progression. I became a trained graduate teacher. And later I was selected as a postgraduate teacher in English. And I also had a tenure at Kendriya Vidyalaya Tehran in Islamic Republic of Iran. And later I was worked as a principal in Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti and got selected as principal in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan also. So after this experience, I became education officer in 2010. I served as an assistant commissioner in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Guwahati region, and at the time of retirement, I came to Bangalore region. So friends, it was 40 years journey, 1975 to 2015. from being a primary teacher, I became the assistant commissioner. I think that kind of career progression is possible only in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. It's a great organization. I worked in 10 schools, different Kendriya Vidyalayas across the country, and also as a principal and assistant commissioner, I could visit hundreds of Kendriya Vidyalayas across the country and gain rich experience of how this education in Kendriya Vidyalaya is taking place. Dear friends, I had, when I entered, I was just a graduate with a B.Ed. But then this, as I was telling you, the professional development demands a lot from teachers, and I had dual postgraduate degrees in English, and I had an M.Ed and M.Phil education. Not for the sake of acquiring degrees, I thought these would help me to be a better practitioner. That was the main reason. I also did my postgraduate diploma in the teaching of English from CIEFL Hyderabad. Now it's known as EFLU. I had a postgraduate certificate in creative writing in English. Being a teacher of English, I wanted to know how this creative writing works. Not that by doing a course in creative writing one would become a creative writer, but then it will tell you the mechanics, it will give you an insight into that. I also had the opportunity of doing postgraduate diploma in guidance and counseling from NCERT, the mecca of education in the country. I stayed there at the NCERT campus for 1 year and had a very close look at how the educational policies are formed in the country, how they are implemented, what's the roadmap and things like that. So it was a great learning experience throughout the journey in the KVS, and I won lots of friends, and I could talk to hundreds of principals, I could speak to thousands of teachers and many more students, and it was a very, very rich journey. I am very satisfied with this 40 years of journey in the KVS. I speak about my career progression and my professional development because, dear friends, it is very important for all of us to keep growing in our career, and that's the reason I shared with you my career progression and professional development, and I wish you all the best on this very happy occasion of KVS Foundation Day. Thank you, friends.
Namaste, I am Dr. Pawan Kumar, General Surgeon, student of first batch of Kendriya Vidyalaya, T-Bidan Hospital. Given an opportunity to talk about Kendriya Vidyalaya in few minutes is very less to me. I need maybe hours or days to speak about my school. To start with, I thank my teachers firstly because we started our each and every day in our school saying Daya Kardan Vidya Ka, and we are very blessed that our teachers showered on us the 100% of the knowledge what we can get in our lifetime. I thank you all my teachers, and to continue with, it's not only the book knowledge what we got from our teachers, as we rightly say, Vidya Vinayam Dadati, we also learned the Vinaya, we also learned the morality, we also learned the culture, we also learned the civilization, we also learned each and everything of aspect of our life from our teachers. We were made in a complete statue. We were like a stone when we entered our school, and we came out as a statue. We are ready to serve our nation, and I thank all our teachers for making us complete in each and every aspect of our life. We are today, whatever we are, it's only because of our teachers, and I proudly thank all the teachers of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan.
Namaskar, I am Akshay Desai, currently working as a research scholar in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Indian Institute of Technology, Dharwad.
I would like to share my opinion and experience on 58th Foundation Day of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan was established on 15 December 1963 with 20 schools to cater the educational needs of transferable central government employees' kids. Today, Kendriya Vidyalaya is the leading organization under Ministry of Education, Government of India, with 1,200 schools across the country, which caters the needs of around 14 lakh students with 48,000 employees. I am proud to say that I am a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya, having completed my entire schooling in Kendriya Vidyalaya Hospet. I have studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya Hospet from the year 1999 to 2009, spanning 10 years. I owe my journey in academics to the teachers who have taught me, to name few: K.B. Sharma sir, Maya Hari madam, Inturi Srinivas Rao sir, Yashoda madam, etc. and to name few, the principals like P.M. Medappa sir, R.N. Singh sir, B.N. Balakrishna sir, etc. Apart from the academics, Kendriya Vidyalaya has provided me with great opportunities and exposures with sports activities, social science exhibitions, science exhibitions at various levels which range from cluster level to national level. I wish Kendriya Vidyalaya a very best of luck for its future endeavors. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shreya KH. Today I'd like to tell that how fortunate I was that I got an opportunity to study in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I completed my 10th in the year 2013. Basically, I'm an athlete and I got an opportunity to represent KVS State in the School Games Federation of India, and I twice represented the Bangalore region in KVS Nationals. I feel KVS provides you the right platform if you want to excel in sports, education, arts, literature, whatever it is. And right now I'm suggesting all my nieces and nephews to get admitted in KV so that they don't miss an opportunity. And if I'm speaking in front of the camera without any fear, or if I'm going on a stage and giving a speech or doing an MC, that is all because of KV, because KVS has molded me in so much in a better way where I don't have a stage fear. And right now I'm pursuing my Masters in Physical Education from Bangalore University, and this is all because of KVS base. Like I could excel in sports and I could take up Masters in Physical Education and Sports Science. So I'm so thankful that KVS gave me the right opportunity at the right time. I'll be thankful for my whole life for KVS because it has molded me in a better person right now, like I am right now. And thank you so much.
Ex-KVN, thank you for giving me an opportunity to express my feelings and a journey on this KVS Foundation Day. This is the KVS where I started my initial days of schooling, and now I am placed as an assistant manager in Axis Bank. This is the school where I would like to visit again and again and to remember my memories. I like this KVS system very much, as because they support us to our education as well as our co-curricular activities. As to share my childhood memories, in the school days I would eagerly wait for my Children's Day, because in the Children's Day I would get an opportunity to showcase myself in different costumes. I was like robot, I was like a Colgate. So this was the experience, and to enjoy these memorable days. Get an opportunity to develop our subject knowledge as well as our skills. Like in this KVS we have various other activities like social science exhibition, annual day, sports day, where we can showcase our talents. And finally I would thank all the staff and teachers for supporting to in our school days. And I am the daughter of C. Srinivas who is working in KVS. Thank you everyone and all the best KVS.